Hey there, my foxy peeps. And guess what? I have subscription boxes back on my channel. And guess which one showed up? So y'all can see. Geek Fuel. Yes, I thought I'd try this one. Mainly because September has a Doctor Who item, and anyone who knows me knows I am obsessed with Doctor Who. So, opening it up. Oh my god, what kind of tape did they use? The scissor won't work. Ow. I'm okay. Opening. Opening. Okay, so y'all can kind of see when you open up the box and everything's like falling out of it because I opened it upside down. Give me a second. Okay. There. Okay. You open up the box and that's what you see. Let your geek flag fly. Everything's just falling out. Get back in there. And then of course, ta-da! So I'm guessing this thing is the paper we go by. I don't know. It's the first time I've gotten this. I don't know. I don't know what this thing is. Okay. Well, it has like bonus items. Because I ordered one of them where one little bonus item shows up. So I got a bonus item. And I just want to look at it like right now. Okay. And it's Plants vs. Zombies 2. And I got two of these. So we're going to open it up. And you can get like different little pins. See? Pins. Had it backwards. Way to go, me. So I got the little sunflower. I want the cherries. See? These are the things that you can end up getting. I want the cherries. Oh. So I got two of those. Well, that was not fun. Oh well. I got two little sunflowers. I'll put those on my purse. Okay. Then, of course, here's another little pin. I don't know. It says Aries. So it's like a space type thing? I don't know. The pin. Ooh, do I got a poster? If I can figure out how to get it out of there. What's the poster? Oh, that's kind of cool. Y'all see? That's kind of cool. That is Eric's Scarecrow. I'm thinking this little book over here is telling me what that is. So, let's kind of just see. Okay, Aries 3. That's that pin. Okay. So, I'm guessing it's from a movie, The Martian. Okay. Let's see. Eric Scarecrow. He's an artist, so. Okay. Doesn't really say much about that. Oh. What's this? I don't know. It's like something top 10 tips. Or something. Don't know. But here's Geek Fuel. Nailed it. And I don't know. It looks like little masks. So I'll have to wear those. Have to wear those. Let's see. Try and get that off of there. Okay. So, yay. Little masky ones. Just throw that back there too. Excuse me. Okay. Got a comic book. Bob's Burgers. Comic book. Oh my god. And certificate of an authenticity on the back. What is this? I don't know. But I got a cool little comic book. Cool little comic book. Wonder if it says anything in here. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Probably said something in there. Oh, there it is. Bob's Burgers. Of course, a comic book. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. So, I got the Doctor Who item that I wanted. And it's an ice cube tray. Ice cube tray. I can make little mini TARDISes. I think. TARDISes and Daleks. You can make ice cube Daleks and ice cube TARDISes. Ooh. Yay! So that's like awesome! Doctor Who item. Would have liked something bigger, but okay. And then, of course, they always have a t-shirt in there. And the t-shirt is, I don't know. I don't know. I can't tell. That's the t-shirt. I don't know. They don't really have anything that, like, describes it very well. So how am I supposed to know? I don't know. It doesn't really say anything about the t-shirt. What the t-shirt's supposed to be. Like, nothing. Nope. Nope. I don't know if that's like, I have no idea, like a stormtrooper. I'm not much of a geek, so I don't know. I'm just a geek because I love Doctor Who. But that was my geek fuel. I did get a 6-month subscription, so we'll see what the other ones look like and see if I keep it. But I pretty much got this one because it was going to have a Doctor Who item in there, so. So, like, comment, or subscribe because I randomly put up videos, and thanks for watching. Bye!